Testing 1, testing 2. We are at the studio checking sound. How do I sound? Do I sound bassy? Do I sound what? Echo, echo.
Sometimes you probably ask yourself why someone will pay $400, $600, $700, even $1,000 for a mic. Today, we're gonna put that question to test because we're about to test a $400 mic, the Rode NTG4 Plus, with the VidPro XM55 that only costs $70. Welcome back to Emax2. My name is Louis Cherichel, and what we're gonna do, like I said in the intro, we are going to put two mics to the test. It's gonna be a fight between these two mics. It's the Rode NTG4 Plus and the VidPro XM55. I'm only testing this mic because I recently purchased the Rode NTG4 because everybody want to put better sound on their production, and I was looking at the Rode NTG4. It looks like this is exactly what I needed for my production to upgrade my sound. After I purchased that mic, 2 weeks later, I went on Amazon and I found the VidPro XM55. That mic only cost $70. And I purchased that mic too because I wanted to see if the words sound 3 times or 4 times better than the VidPro XM55. And this is exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna put these two mics to the test to see which one sound better. Both of them are hooked up to my Focusrite 6i6, powered by 48-volt phantom power, and we're gonna see which one gonna win that fight between the Rode NTG4 Plus and the VidPro XM55. To get the test started, what we're gonna go ahead and do, we're gonna read a text, and we're gonna take that text and we're gonna lay it down. Then we're gonna lay the one for the NTG4 Plus and the other one for the VidPro XM55 for you to listen which mic sound the best to you. Then we're gonna go ahead and take that same text and we're gonna lay it in a pattern. Rode NTG4 Plus, then VidPro XM55. The pattern gonna keep going. Rode NTG4 Plus, VidPro XM55 until that text is done, for you to have a better understanding where you listen to one text but 2 different microphones. Let's get started.
So today I'm going to be reading DC Super Friends Heroes in Action. The Joker wants to steal the precious baby panda from the Gotham City Zoo. He lets wild animals loose as a dangerous distraction. The Super Friends have to stop the thief, but first, they have to keep the rampaging animals from hurting anyone. A loose elephant can do a lot of damage. Superman uses his super strength to carry the heavy beast back to its safe enclosure. No monkey or gorilla can resist a ripe banana. Robin lures a gorilla family back into their pen, while Batman coaxes the spider monkeys to return to their cage. Batman even makes a new friend. The Flash has to stop a stampede of giraffes and zebras. He herds them back to the safari habitat. It helps being the fastest man alive when you're rounding up animals who were born to run. It takes the guardian of the power ring to tame the jungle kings. Green Lantern distracts the loose lions and tigers by creating a giant ball of yarn, which makes the big cats as playful as kittens. The Super Friends rush to the panda pen to stop the Joker, but the baby panda isn't in any danger. The Joker hasn't gotten past the mama panda anyway. The Joker's new jail cell won't be nearly as comfy as the animal pens at the zoo.
There you have it. As you can see, both mics do a pretty good job, but as you already know, both mics are shotgun microphones. Shotgun microphones supposed to pick up sound right in front of the tip of the mouth. They're not supposed to catch sound as well on the side. And the Rode NTG4 do a better job canceling the noise around the room because it's a more expensive mic. I did expect it for it to pick up less noise than the VidPro XM55. However, for a $70 mic, the XM55 do a great job. It's for you to know what you need your mic for when you're gonna purchase it. I can tell you, you can use any of them. If you're not on a budget, you can pay $400 for a mic. I will tell you, you can go ahead and buy the Rode. But if you're also on a budget, you do not have $400 to put on a mic, you need other stuff to put on your video equipment, you can go ahead and purchase the VidPro XM55. I believe it can do a pretty good job. Just before we go, I'm just going to show you the type of stuff they sell with the VidPro XM55. It has about 13 pieces on it. For $70, I believe it's a good deal. Let's go ahead and see. Here is what you will get in the VidPro XM55 box. When you purchase one, you will get two 1-foot cable, one XLR to XLR, and the other one is XLR to 3.5 millimeter, so you can plug it straight to your camera. They also include a dead cat. I did not test it to see how good it is. It looks pretty cheap, but however, having some type of wind muff is better than not having any at all. We have another 20 to 25 feet cable inside the box. As you can see, the VidPro comes with a pretty hard case that is well padded. They also include a shock mount, which is very important to cancel movement noise from a boom pole. You always have a padded, like it's like a handgun, so you can put it close to the subject mount. Another mic clip you probably will not have any use for it. Also get a 6.5 millimeter jack male. In this package, you get a lot of stuff for your $70. It is not a bad deal at all. And as always, if you love the video, give it a thumbs up, and we would love to have you as a subscriber. Please go ahead, subscribe to our channel so you do not miss on our latest video, and I will see you later.